Hi guys! I will show you a recipe for pad see ew beef with broccoli, also a delicious beef marinade that will make the meat extremely tender.
We don't need expensive beef, just any cheap cuts we can afford. But to have the beef tender, we have to slice to cut the meat against its grain. Grain? What does it mean? Look at this photo. Did you see the fibers run vertically from left to right? That's the beef grain. And we have to slice the opposite direction of that. This method will change your life. And to make it even better, we will marinate it with corn flour and baking soda. Corn flour helps prevent overcooking and toughening of the outer layers of the meat. And baking soda is a highly effective technique that transforms meat into incredibly tender. They are perfect for meat marinade, so don't skip it everyone. Next, we will add some sugar, then add vegetable oil. It helps for tenderizing the meat as well. Add some soy sauce for a flavor.
Question of the day: do you know this marinade method? Or do you have any better tips to share? Tell me in the comments.
Now mix well and make sure each piece of the beef is coated. Then set aside to marinate for 10 to 20 minutes.
By the way, the full ingredient list is in the description. Also, you can download my written recipe plus photo for each step at my Patreon.
Alright, next we are going to brush the broccoli in a hot water for about 2 minutes. But if you prefer a bit softened, let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. After that, immediately transfer the broccoli into the ice water. We will let it chill for the same amount of time it was boiled, then drain it and set aside. This method will keep our veggie have a nice flavor, crunchy texture, and fresh color. Now we are going to smash 15 to 20 garlic cloves. It's never too much garlic for pad see ew. It's delicious. Once our garlic look like this, transfer it to a small bowl and set aside. Then we are going to make the pad see ew sauce. To do so, add oyster sauce, fish sauce or soy sauce if you prefer, and sugar. Mix them well until the sugar is dissolved. After, we will rub the black soy sauce all over the noodles. Tip of today: a perfect rice noodles for stir-fry recipe has to be made from rice flour, not tapioca starch, so make sure you buy the right one.
And if you are a beef lover, don't miss this tender Thai stir-fry beef with bell pepper.
Now, let's heat our vegetable oil in a wok with over medium heat. Then, add the garlic and we will stir fry for a few minutes to let it infuse the aroma in the oil. Also, to have a crunchy garlic texture. Then, add our marinated beef and toss it with the garlic. Now, we will spread the meat out as much as possible and we are going to let it sear for about 2 minutes. After that, use a spatula to toss the beef around, then move the beef to one side of the wok and add eggs. We will let the white egg to set for half a minute before breaking it up the yolk with the spatula. Like that, the egg will allow to stick on the meat when we stir to mix. Okay, it's time to turn the gas up to high heat. Then add the rice noodles and the pad see ew sauce. We will toss to coat the noodles evenly in the sauce. Come to the important part. We will spread the noodles out in the wok and let them sear for about 30 seconds to allow them to have a burnt wok flavor. Now flip the noodles and let them sit again to sear the other side. 30 seconds is enough. Then we will bring the broccoli in and toss everything well. At this point, you can add a pinch of white pepper for more aromatics.
If you enjoyed this video, give me a big like, subscribe if you are a Thai food lover. Also, you would love to see this Pad Thai Kung, or you would like to see more yummy noodles recipe right here. Alright guys, see you next week with a yummy recipe. Bye bye!